Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to understand how a water-cooled condenser works in a frozen storage cold room system and why it's important for efficient refrigeration. Let's get started right away. Compressor. Hot refrigerant gas from compressor. Water-cooled condenser. Heat exchange zone. Hot gas enters condenser tubes, cooling water flows around the tubes, heat transfers from refrigerant to water. Cooling water circulation. Heat exchange zone. Cold water enters condenser, warm water exits after absorbing heat. Sent to cooling tower for heat rejection. Water pump. Circulates water. Warm water out to cooling tower. Condensed refrigerant. Liquid state. Refrigerant loses heat and becomes high-pressure liquid. Expansion valve. Pressure drop. High-pressure liquid refrigerant passes through the expansion valve and its pressure drops. Evaporator. Cold room cooling. Refrigerant absorbs heat from cold room. Produces cooling effect below -18 degrees Celsius. Returns to compressor. Low pressure gas returns to compressor. Cycle repeats. So that's a simple explanation of how a water-cooled condenser works in a frozen storage cold room system. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what topic you want next.
Thanks for watching.